Mitani young man, suffering no vent, was dumped in Sunikawa police inspector. It is indeed surprising. I was in me. That field willow wife does not believe that such attempts to murder. But in the room, there was no one on the outside. Moreover, that person was holding a kyoki. This is because, unfortunately, it is hard evidence that the move. Yes, speaking of evidence, it has a worse. Mitani will continue to talk about the lips name in a hoarse voice. Shizuko's in the study in Saito. Old man, the voice you are fighting, you made was Moriki. The maid in front of the magistrate, and due to the place where the statement clearly. I fired you. Right now, please go out. If, cried in-step ran voice of Shizuko. Her daily is not a word should be in the dream mouth. This with a well, that when two people, I seen is how or not each other violently. I do not go out. Deceased on behalf of the husband. We will advise you. How even, does not pull us to later. Tingling trembling voice of the old man. Caught off guard as woman. What you say, no longer able to put up with. I am mad. Well, as you say, I care is different. Come to see what mad to do. Regret to know moon woe. When, such generally, the exchange of words made had here. That, I do not attach obi regret. The such as is. Or I thought it was mean. With full I'll kill. Or seemed that also hold in the dagger? Quote, trial judge, in ask, maid. Even in the case of the way, it seemed. Answered, I had these things. In other words, make sense who is correct. In this murder, there is also a motive. And their intention was also. I found if you look at. Mitani said in gesture of despair. Sunikawa Mr. did not know the words to comfort. Also look if thinking. All of the circumstances. Says the crime of Shizuko. There is no way to escape it in only a woman. But I cannot even a little their face. Of things bounces horrible. Casual quarrel. To cause the unexpected crime. That their mom. And a woman, to love, something to dare to outrage falls short of even a man. I had some time fell silent. Mitani is in thought of Mitani. Is Sunikawa Mr. another thing in Mr. Sunikawa? Because another thing. A little while ago Akechi is received. And the notice like bandits. The same was unexpected as the conspiracy. Had been anything in this incident. Had a tie. Also, it looks like there is no completely Renraku. Also, it seems also to such unexpected do without ties something. Even so, a monster with no lips. And Shizuko that has been targeted by he is. Nanti's like, if there will be such a fool. And, Mr. Sunikawa that had indulged think such a thing is. At that time, the ass of the side that is multiplied by the waist. Was noticed that there is one and occasionally poke, looking at the horizontal, has been applied to the next, the hand of Kobayashi boy, and extends to the back of their own. I think the funny thing, and look at the boy's face. He was pointing to what his eyes, on the table, but in the confectionery unit, among confectionery instruments, it is lined up jelly, looking, in one of them, it looked someone had to leave the points to eat. Tooth type of overgalling. Attached clearly. That's attached office of childlike eyes. Became a little strange. However, the child's intuition is unexpected become the fool. If this tooth type have the Akechi, and I wish to match the tooth type of bandits. It did not have without the something creeps. Mr. Mitani, we hear that strange this Hatsujiyo is had been a thief. Do not know. Looking to ask for just in case Mitani is a strange face. It had been a while thinking. Oh, it is certainly Shizuko's. This morning, before that commotion occurs, while you are here with two people cut me. Nibbled was you. Always good person of your well behaved. Do that only today if the you. So strangely I thought. I remember. But, do you it was somehow. It's surprising answer. Sunikawa inspector. Was Doken. Oh, it as crucial to tooth types Shizuko. And this tooth type. Look compared to the tooth type of pirates. If an event the same. But it should look it. And I think. unexpected say anything horror is. From the bottom of the belly, it came welled up. Oh, I could not help Koshite a little, even though those are not. You come looking for Shizuko's. It is better than you sit still. Mitani, when I think, blurted such a thing as myself. I lanky and rising, without even greeting, leaving the customer. Head went out to somewhere. The poor, it seems to be up a little hot flashes. Sunikawa, Mr. Care's Kobayashi boy, was bitter smile. Jelly marked with that tooth type, home with, or let's compare. The boy on the discovery of the tooth type are crazy about. It is good. You have this. Once return to May, and please talk the situation in Akechiyu. I'm still, because sometimes you want to examine a little. Make a phone call if there is errand remaining. Hear me to May. Sunikawa said. Is incorporated fishing eager Kobayashi was in the mood to see let me within the tooth type. When the boy leave, Inspector is up to the second floor of the study. The after Kyoko, but viewed carefully examined, did not have otherwise found. The window was all as strictly can be tight, so there is no place to hide a person in the room. In other words, the site, the outside of Shizuko's, we did not have room for entering the criminal. There is no reason to commit suicide, old man, to say that. No matter how considered, it's not criminal to the outside of Shizuko's. When finished examining the study, down the second floor, looking out into the garden, not there was a purpose of this, but the entire building from the garden. I thought, let us look once. However, down in the garden, and I think walked a little, bumped into things strange. Big dog, which is also higher Kappa's. He had fallen in the corner of the garden. It is needless to say Siquan of Sigma looked, the eyebrows was beaten badly. It has blurred the blood. You should never penetrate dog killing in the mansion. Who is? To what for? What killed this dog? Wonder, I think. But the answer was seen asking the student and the maid who. Knowing nobody. That was each other by connecting to the kennel all the way. Scratch that was sometime done to the thief is, because almost healed, and I just was doing by solving this morning chain. It was to say, to a place that is such a thing. Came a phone call from Akechi, to the other Kobayashi boy of apartment hospital room. I looked to those with return. Taking the handset, voice that was slightly excitement of Akechi came here. Down the downy head, I walked to the state's desk phone. Of the more unexpected must leave to its own telephone outlet. I wonder if there is a business. Hello, Sunikawa's that? I saw compared the tooth type. Perfect match. If there is a Shizuko's tooth type. Miss Shizuko what? That's our looking Kaikoku. Become a strange conclusion Masu. Mister, is it true? Sunikawa exclaimed surprised. I do believe somehow in. I feel like there is a mistake somewhere. I think so, is evidence that there is an S-teeth type of Ms. Shizuko. Mitani is kun of the testimony. I was completely say categorically. Mitani-kun we have. Akechi is to say so, but seem to have some time thinking, eventually. By the way, you have a Siquan that's Sigma there. There is still have you plugged into the kennel. Sunikawa Mr. Scaring. I do not just look at the corpse of the dog now. Akechi's a scary man named anything. This is the eye face was solved this morning chain. However, the dog, imperceptibly, anyone not maybe, you've been killed. Edge was killed. Where? Akechi why it surprised so much. They're lying in the corner of the garden, is where I have found it now. Oh, horrible guy. A guy who killed a person is the true criminal. Why me? What really know the culprit? The wide world, because there is no outside of the dog. The human eye came and even cheated in disguises. Dog's sense of smell is, so it does not rarely go McKay's. My awareness so it was a little slow. Quote, Akechi's samosa also went to regretfully. Mother and child. It becomes a criminal of horrible butler killing. On it, whether she what is not a monster with no lips. Tremendous doubt even received. The poor had a Kiyanagi Shizuko. What had been hiding unearthed anywhere. In addition it is There is a story to be horror of Ichija. Then, it goes away were you my corner to her husband. Respectability there is also. His relatives of mouth is also annoying. Well first, let shame you in 6 to become even boy. Quarrel is taken, the old man was also heard strong mouth. When the blame so Shizuko is the only length that there is a weakness was cut. Integral she is, as can be seen in the previous manner of, in extreme caress of older husband. She came to live fully thus, but a woman of just emotions. Through spirit that began to say, but as unyielding, but in fact only big spoiled child, that she is, so to speak, to the servant of Saito old man. Tired weaknesses, a Matsusi, that has not been heard from the mouth of the defunct husband. In response to the severe rebuke, in mortification, hot flashes up was of the no wonder. Please go out right now. Cheeky habit of Yonin, quote, hail no ran is, gushing with the mouth, as the habit of our moms. She was not blinded any more eyes. It had been attacked by a bout of temporary insanity. The old man, not hear the eyes chopsticks. Only to Kingen I forbear to endure. Unexpected easily causes trying to draw to the left. Unexpected not go out. Both good content are correct. Let's wait for your criticism of your relatives. It is said unexpected can take it anymore. Shizuko is stepping on Jidanda, the goods of the sides. As the I want to throw in teetery she'd I wanted mortification. Hateful decrepit bother me. Once you Kutaba once you, but were not issued to the mouth, poison the blood in the heart, he stood aside in the way. And the like hold down the master. To excuse appearances, come way, and have seen the face of a stringent-skinned father. Gnashing of teeth came out, wrinkles in the forehead as well, long eyebrows, also whitish eyes, such nose of the eagle also, the mouth of dentures also. None even this, as the eye went to Tataki Tsubushi. Seems Nakudarishiku, now please go out. Nariku, because Kan's Shikumochi, and Naku, know what. Shizuko the other, Iken Maku unworthy cannot in even mutual efforts with this old man. Now Onoki, and looking at you in the face disgusting. When Su Onoki, quote, Shimanonoki off the old man, tried to touch a sorrow to the outside. The person of the old man, pushed back escaped now Hado. One rich? The pushback was it is in the Shizuko. Feel like that was Suki Tobasa badly. Well, towards the master of what you do. Up hot flashes and cut. Before the eyes become dark. The other what did not know somehow. I belly stood enough to faint. Crazy. I think also like that Mushaborotsui to the old man. Also have something. I think also like that throwing down the opponent. Pull of the incensed also look considered at a later. Gone blinded. Clearly did what I do not remember. When the notice, the old man was lying at length in front of her. Blooming bright red flower on the chest. Dagger handle was Sugusa and stand straight up. Wash, quote. Shizuko, hold cried and feet froze was unable to move. I remember not. I do not remember in any way. However, the opponent has fallen stabbed in the chest is the fact that it is difficult to move. Rather than their own is killed. Or not anyone outside is such a thing. I wonder if care is different. Also serves as believed too much of it. Whether there's a madness of vision. While rubbing his eyes with both hands. Was crouched to the side of the head Ahita in carcasses. Well, sorry, it would have been no doubt painful. If, while Kuchabashiri that was cryptic strange mad, involuntarily holding a dagger handle, pulled out from the wound. One of the students opened the door, for he looked into the room. It was just at that time. Shizuko was, to treatment that blurted out the crazy and talking in delirium. In the news of the student, servants we are, changing the complexion, came in with the sound of many footsteps. Behind a lot of the face, the eyes of Mitani youth. When I saw the glowing to blame her, Shizuko the first time, began to cry raised Watson voice. This terrible event is nor even vision in a dream, because that's reality, not irreversible, was found clearly. People were away from her hand, simulating a bloody dagger. Her lower back muscles are no longer asked. Suffer embrace. Were conveyed to the living room downstairs. Meanwhile, she just, gushing, continue out as the death agony. Had heard only the sound of the heart. Human voice to make a fuss with the hum is nothing to do on their own. Did not hear only the meaningless noise. Crying. When you return to the barely sane Shigeru boy, while unexpected know the reason. After all become a crying face. On her side, I noticed for sitting and frowning. Shigeru-chan, it is mother. Shizuko is hugged a beloved child, whispered while Nikijikori. I did ended up that there is no flying. Shigeru-chan, you may know. The poor. The other this once and for all. Gonna mother customers and farewell. Not a must to live all alone. Mother, y'all will go. Where to go for? Eat, why cry? The boy of 6 years old, as soon as the thing is not wonder unexpected good Namiko. Oh, permanent farewell with this child. At any moment, if came people of the police. It has been determined to be brewed from this place. And gallows is a fate, not be escaped, but this sue outright. Nanti would break up with Wareko. Such Mugodarashi it will really happen. I do not want to break up. Children, lover, everything, leaving after, of the resistance should not be dying all alone. Saito Uncle Chan, what's up? Did died? Innocent question of Shigeru boy. Even in the small things, the way has been blamed. Terrible enough to chilling. Root D, what's up? No mother was killed? Shizuko is scaring. Was involuntarily staring at the face of Wareko. Oh, I can do that, the innocent boy, in having vague fears intuitive. And no matter anymore Kanzui it. Gonna mother killed. In what is also killed the mother Sama. Shizuko was Kamakuroshi the cry. Who? Shigeru is surprised was the Nakanorized to perfectly round. Who is coming to mother killing? Kill will be Yaz A. Hey, early, I tried to escape, mother. Tried to escape. When the mother hear it, make a sound such as goodbye in the back of the throat. It spilled suspenseful in tears. You, of us run away together with the mother of the murderer. Well, gonna useless right? But, of us ran away. Even run away. Do not you can escape. Thousands of tens of thousands in Japan people that is. Everyone mother. In an attempt to catch. From all directions. What I'm allowed to mimesis the eye. Quote. I feel sorry, ... but Shigeru-chan, I'll help mother. As a person I'll match the bad eye. Was hugged tightly. In the mother's bosom. Shigeru boy, with bright red cheeks, was the Mizuru in Sikurung. Soon, Shizuko was called before the magistrate, but was asked. Wisdom also force was also not to excuse well. However, I do not know. I just repeat and I do not know. Dun's interrogations. Also returned to the original living room, to where you were each other crying and Shigeru boy came into the Mitani youth in Shinobu in a glance. While two people were postponed staring eyes for a while, but was silent. Eventually youth remarks the near future to face near the lover, in a whisper, but went with great force. I do not believe me. Nanti you've done, you do not believe in any way. Let's do the Shizuko is friendly word lover Mitani. In too late away. I was not even trying to hide the sadness that comes welled up. Firm that again. Do not be disappointed. Mitani is, whether not someone here there is a man. While Mimawashi the purr continued still in a whisper. I believe in your innocence. Your Shirinui that it is not such a woman. However, if there is no excuse be considered, you're outside and the victim is in that room. There was not anybody around. Moreover, you were holding a bloody dagger. Occur immediately before the incident. You were fighting badly called the victim. All of the circumstances. Everyone has been pointing at you. Magistrate also. Police chief also looks you the as you are decided with the criminal. Look to think. At that time, someone crept into the room. If I did not do not have a somehow good opening of the road. When listening to the enthusiastic tone of Mittani, ask a friend to the wide world. And it is this person, only one person. He came overflowing with tears of gratitude. Unfortunately, unexpected can answer, such as to satisfy him. I do not know. We do not know even a little what happened is a terrible thing. There was no outside to repeat the same words that were said in front of the criminal. Shizuko's not a time that should be firm. Crying. Long as you sit in this state. As soon as finished the second floor of the interrogation, you'll must go as brood in the policeman. IU, prison to feed. Nanti to stand in court. Cannot stand even the thought. Shizuko-san, let's run away. In me and Shigeru-chan and 3 people. Let's run away to the world of fruit. Quote. The tone that crowded think of Mittani. Shizuko has raised a ashen face. Well, it is why such a thing. So, after all this person also, I may believe that the real criminal. Otherwise, there is no going to begin to say and so escape. I do not care, though you are, even though a sinner of the true murderer. I put you in prison. Cannot be sent to the gallows. I also underwriting the sins of the half. And you together, while hiding from the world. For also fled the way. It I was enough thought. Really safe way is there. Within such should not come humans. Saw. Shizuko's. Decided the please. Shizuko is urged and fidgeting turned pale. Chests like hitting the fast from. But, oh, no wonder. But she mind has moved. Though not be a villain. In this case, in the body of the woman. The prison and the gallows flickering in the near term. Even in one case, even in one step, the impatient trying to move away is a commonplace. Now, quickly, welcome to here. I have a safety excellence hiding place that I had been found. Would be creepy, but far into the night. Should be lurking in there with 2 people. After that as good as I do good offices in. Please believe me, even whatever the thing. Do not give up. Please have patience still. When it becomes should fled sukas, I will assume all of the responsibility. Is me I say that it was impossible to escape by threatening you. Quote. It is said to do so. The weak woman. It would be a force to do rebellious. Shizuko. The boy took the hand Shigeru concealed. Mother-child also. Could not be away even one moment. Footsteps. While paying attention to the per timidly, I went Sui after the Mittani. Not encountered unfortunately servant. He had arrived in, but the kitchen next to the storeroom room. Mittani turning the bottom of the floorboards, and away of the lid of the stone covered with soil. Surprisingly, a gaping from under it, his completely blocked cave of the mouth came to appear. Its old wellsome of water. Do not be dangerous. Please have patience. Interim pleasure in this good while. Mittani is worked agile. From somewhere came a large bedding also had 2, but crowded throw into the old well. At any moment come people Sanuka. Come as a Sanuka. It just as when you are cared about. Mittani was. Even Shizuko my husband did not know even a little. What she discovered the old well of the floor. Suspected there was no chance to see. Shizuko is to borrow the hand of Mittani. Into the terribly deeply there is no cave. Crowded slip and slurping. Large bedding of the 2 is the underlying. Since it overlaps with the like of thick cushion. Is not also a little worried that the injury. Then, Shigeru boy, was pulled down in the same way to the bottom of the well. So, by the time the temporary tonight, because you've come I'm sure, Irashai be patient until then. I do not you cry Shigeru-chan. Not palm there's something not at all scary. I believe my arm. Please wait with confidence. On top of the head. And I think that whether you are a whisper of Mittani, fallen is falling apart in the earth, is in the well, has become a true darkness. Stone of the lids that's blocking the exit. Poor mother and child, in the darkness of just tactile. While hugging us each other, Hishido was trembling. There is no ability to think. It is too horrible about herself to cry, because it is Shigeru-chan. A good boy, I'll not fear frame. Mother just cared a beloved child. It is not I afraid, not at all. Voice of the habit boy. Head in fighting to fear. Small body that hug is like a pathetic little dog. Was jumpy convulsions. According to Settle Down, cold at the bottom of the well has tried to learn. It is attached with. What was the thoughtfulness of Mitani that arrived, bro? If that busy. Something that was noticed until well that the food on. Thanks to that. In the cold the shame to only the bottom of the old well. Just under the foot. And the fluffy, warm it like a thick cushion. Shizuko is the surplus portion of the end of the bedding. Yari also subjected to Shigeru. It also plated on the shoulder. Was devised to surpass the further cold. But, if she is under its thick bedding, if knew it is, rather than thanks to, how to, and because there is a terrible punishment, even longer in the moment. I feel that is hidden at the bottom of a well. There is no difference in the did not. Under the overlapping bedding, it was not there immediately soil. Between the bedding and the soil, it was not lying object raising also Minoke. What it was will come a time when seen soon, reader. That aside, or Mitani, youth the escape means that corporate orchid was anything, Shizuko or but hidden in outline old well. But the present invention is need long to such a place. Any unexpected must get out of the mansion. There are guards of the constable to temple. The premises are shining servants of the eye. Even if safely out of the mansion, there is an alternating also go to both. There is a person in the neighborhood. It Shizuko is what ask is. He is widely known to the other neighborhood. Is it Mitani? It would be on earth why get out estimates. Concealed from the well to Shizuko. That Mitani was a phone call to Akechi. Thereby, that came Sunikawa Inspector and Kobayashi Boy wrote before. Sunikawa Inspector of Expected is also not aware of attempts to old wells aloe under the floor of the storeroom. Just got a tooth type of jelly. Just discovered the carcasses of Sigma. I went in vain raised. Then, late night temporary, Mitani until the promised time to Shizuko did not even otherwise of events. Around 8 o'clock, large Nikan is delivered that order in daytime Mitani of the order. To the outside, which paid the corpse of Saito old man in it by everyone. Nikan is enshrined in between a wide downstairs Japan. Tam Youth the code, until Yofukaru, but the voice of the chanting of the family and the funeral guests were not extinct. 12 o'clock before and after. Left those people also, or return, or with regard to sleep, to the dark large room, which turned off the electric lamp. Only carcasses of the old man has been left behind. When I key 1 o'clock and awake, of the darkness to the hall, there is a person who crept without a sound like a shadow. He approaches the Nikan old man by touch. Began to open its lid and soon, funeral car, sneaked into the darkness of the hall. The man who opened the lid of the coffin that contains the Saito old man, as readers have also been imagined, was Mitani Youth. But, to on earth because of what he will was opened in the coffin lid. Or open, because trying to do with a corpse in the darkness, Kabaneshu to get the nose. Corpse as cold as ice. I sway and the eyes can become. Look relieved to faint, fearful of the dead face. Mitani does not also with it a thing. Suddenly, and begins to drag the corpse of an old man out of the coffin. It had to lightly under his arm. Sound without any. Out of the room like a mononoke. The corridor of the kitchen next to barn room it arrived to. And hide the corpse in the shadow of things. He is turning the floor of the example. Set aside the lid of the stone. In such a mosquito's voice. Was called into the well. Shizuko's is me. I now change again to another hiding place. Please firmly. And hear the feigned reply of Shizuko. He brought a small ladder that was in the barn room. Grated into the old well. Shizuko and Shigeru boy, encouraged by Mitani, with his help, We were able to finally climb the ladder. Shigeru-chan, silently, once aloud, even a little scary, Uncle San is coming to catch the mother-sama. Mitani feared most to be issued a cry to Shigeru boy. But, 6-year-old boy, taken frightened is, in like manner of thief cat, shrugged his body, concealed footsteps, did not even try to arise voice. Mitani is not stopped by two people to wash field. Then, is Shinobu in the corridor. I took him into a coffin hall. Shizuko it, of course. Mitani also that time as implicitly I as accustomed. How the room turned off the electric lamp is had been enough to see clearly. Now, we hide into the coffin, because large knee can, but it is a little cramped. You two people position puts, and hear the odd orders of Mitani. Shizuko is surprised, he was involuntarily withdrew. Well, into such a thing? No, not if you are talking about such as auspicious. Saw, please enter your, to the outside. How to safely exit out of the residence is of absolutely not. Funeral is your horse too much tomorrow. Patience until then is made feel dead. It should be hidden. Quote, it did not end up outside to remain, say the Mitani. Shizuko to be earlier. Shigeru boy toward the hem. Overlapping. Was lying into the coffin. Mitani was a restored lid over it. Then he turned back to the storeroom room. Up the ladder. Fixed the lid in the floor of the stone to restore. Was the Sugamatsu of carcasses of Saito old man. Whether you Sugamatsu to any wind. Comes when seen soon. Well, until the time of the next day funeral mass. But needless to say two people of the suffering in the coffin. Was not a worry also easy task of Mitani youth. He is from the early morning. Without leaving the side of the coffin. If even a faint sound in order to drown it, or a cough, or make unnecessary noises, handed out humorous unwind, lashed a nail in the lid of the coffin. It is needless to say that was a precaution which is not as look into the medium. Mitani is but it is the person who caused this murder. Wife of the person. The same without necessarily knew clearly. Relatives, acquaintances but came together. Estrangement of people a lot every day. Since Shizuko kidnapping, Mitani in the kind of position of general counsel of the field Yanagiya was the Sashizumi funeral committee chairman. When the appointed time comes Mitani is urged the people, rush to the funeral mass. Laborer when the spoof a coffin. But as Makashi convicted was worried and Sanuka, very, without such a thing. Large Nikan that lurking the living parent and child is brought to the funeral car safely temple. Field Yanagiya family temple funeral also and as the type of inn. Further funeral car, went to the crematorium and tow the car of a person of relatives. Murder, dagger, blood glue, police, courts, prisons, gallows, lover, beloved child, field Yanagiya, property, man with no lips. A notion like that, or fear, or of love, eyes must become a Rushiki picture. Through the head of Shizuko. It was round in circles over a period of traveling around. As a habit, that rambling was not considered anything. Ahead, I wonder that happens as Warami did not like stick even register. She feverishly in accordance with the orders of the lover Mitani. Cute, hugged unreliable Shigeru boy. It was only in the utmost thoughtfulness to be my release hand moment. Of total darkness, such as Yomiiji, a few hours of the bottom of a well, and I think was out there, the corridor of my home, as is also the like thief, in Shinobu and Bear, of all things, until just now, worried have killed Saito old man. Into the coffin corpse had been lying. They must hide themselves in parent and child and in, but there is a sturdy coffin. Mitani is at the time of nail depression, as which is not visible from the outside, and the paper was rounded to the wedge, so me in advance to make a narrow gap. It did not care about the lack of air but, even so, in the narrow box, sound is also not stand, cannot be stuck. Long time until the funeral mass. The unexpected must not sit still. Already, in order to atone for her sin. Hell of responsibility or would not then bitter began. Taken frightened Shigeru boy, narrowed to the hem of Shizuko. On day hell of a demon. And my past a mother. Her Hizakozo, tightly hugged, without making a secretly with the sound. Killing breath, bulbul tremor which it was. But when I suddenly noticed, and ceased its trembling Patari, had become quieter breathing, I fell asleep while frightened. Young flesh, and I cannot stand the anxiety. Not sleep a wink from yesterday. In a terrible coffin of bed. He fell asleep soundly. Shizuko as I learned some carries and at the same time ended the innocent children. Even listened, without any noises. Light even unexpected look even faint in the eyes. Coffin hide themselves as, imperceptibly buried in the ground. Was overhanging from the top, for a thick soil layer. Light is also sound. Was that it would be had completely cut off. Enough to be suspicious. As the mind subsides, nerves of the peripheral which has been paralyzed began to work. And, first, shoot the nose, was a faint dead smell. Oh, so far ahead, the carcasses of that old man had entered into this. Moreover, the old man, this is my over the hand. It was killed Mugo Tarashiku. In too late at the way, she has it, she was conscious and clear. Now, the plate is touching her cheek, in the same part, until a little while ago. Mighty dead cheeks had been hit. She was so, indirectly, and the old man her killed, might have been hosiery, and I think to say downright unexpected horror, and zo, the pores of the neck stood. Such blind way, in the true darkness, dead of a ghost is. I feel is like that tightening her body. She is, kia, and shouting. Splash the coffin lid, the fit of urge to run away suddenly. But if what you shout, if that would run away, but ruin of himself to Tatsusho. She clenched teeth, had to put up with. Creepy Kabaneshu tried to increasingly strong nose. It became to the extent unbearable. Nerve that nerve, I feel like has become only the sense of smell is. When, suddenly, strange memories came back to me in her nose. Oh yeah, the smell is now is not the first time. Until a while ago, this and feel like had smelled exactly the same smell. That's strange. Integrated where? I wonder was that such a smell? Well, okay, but in the well. But in the old well they had hide themselves until a little while ago. While you're in the wells. Too much of the excitement. But was not aware of it. When viewed recall, not only smell, under that thick futon was never of the flat well bottom. Something resilient, but from cotton much hard. What was bumpy, was felt in the bottom of the foot. Whether there was what the heck. When considered in conjunction conclusion with the memory of the now revived the dead body's smell. Was not the stomach without the scaring. But surely it's illusion in that well. My nerves are somehow. Shizuko, even though strong, I was trying to counteract the terrible imagination. Reason to be there is such a thing was thought not. Before long, I had thought only a corpse odor. Became suddenly faint rose fragrance. Well I think, now, I wonder who of lewd body odor coming neo. Her nose became irritable as I was hallucinating. It's her body odor or any one of those. Suddenly the smell, such as tantalizing the Joyoku is, undeniably, something of my Mitani youth. And bing, again, the smell was caused suddenly, called the old memory of her sense of smell. It is at the same time as the body odor of Mitani, of Dokakashira, was felt as is also the other man body odor is. I wonder who it was. I wonder who it was. Oh, it is so. It guy of smell, well it is him of the smell. Shizuko is in this terrible match, had at a loss. From there, a long time, I did not notice to there. That many years had also trunk forgotten for many years. I feel reminded gaping, and the darkness and silence in the coffin. In her mind, it had a strange effect. Of exactly the same body odor in Mitani, the other man or who of it. Readers, in the beginning this story Rhino Will Shizuko is stored that it has been confined to the mystery shop in Aoyama, at the bottom of the basement, when it was attacked by a man with no lips, from her body of the opponent. Absolutely not the first time. I felt the body odor of someone who knows well. It will be not store also the fact that Shizuko even while often meet with the person undercover to the other events, he had the ends forget that it ever now unusually sharply became the sense of smell. I remembered suddenly, there was the body odor of Mitani, monster with no lips. I had the exact same body odor in Mitani youth. Well, what a ridiculous coincidence. Really, my nose, I mind how different. Not only the nose, that it would be had crazy even to the head. Too much of it. Shizuko became Sorauza Rishiku, but, reader gentlemen, the match of the two strange smell. The smell in the corpse's smell and well, doubled the sign of that of the man with no body odor in the lips of Mitani was only really Shizuko. Evolution How shall Wakashian, there, or my terrible secret is something there than Saphinus. Rambling and there is no delusion, dawned in out of fear. From the narrow gap, Hikumeri to sneak into the coffin. Before long, people of footsteps, voices. Shizuko's, still what was in this world, was accounted, pull the hash and the gas. Do not the motionless. Unexpected must not make a sound. Also it serves as a care to breathe. Was scared even to the beating of my heart. Then a few hours until the funeral masses. Or for her, it was how much hell. Even I felt like a long life. But, finally, done so chanting, came the time of the funeral mass. In order to carry the coffin, approaching footsteps of the laborer, and Yokorasho, Shizuko our body was shaking violently. To the beat, trying to do I Shigeru boy woke up. When you are making a voice to Shigeru, and I think everything's it. Shizuko was horrified. Shigeru-chan, I mother are here. Gonna not afraid not a can. Since the unexpected go to the translation to hear the mouth, stretched out both hands, tap the cheek of Wareko who are at the bottom, was told his heart, just at that time, and I think the coffin was also one big shaking, Dora a voice of the laborer. Koitsuwa, but heavy Buddha, and the straining of the came to hear. Shizuko, Iwakashi and Carcass's scapegoat, and or not to bar, as scaring, but shrugged his body. Laborer who is not a state in which the suspect is also deeply. The coffin was intact. Katsugidasa to the table. To be continued. Thank you for your viewing. If you like, please subscribe to the channel. I am very encouraged.